Good morning, it's the 25th of January 2014 and today I'm catching up with a friend. We're going to meet up at Denny's at 10 o'clock and we're going to just hang out for a few hours. So I hope you're going to hang out with me too. Well, this is a friend I was going to catch up with. This is Mitch, also known as Bear Killer 777. Yep. And yeah, we're sitting here at Denny's just working out what we want to eat. And we're going to the Temple Square later.
Yeah, I don't think they have too much trouble with the parking, but it's not too far from here, so.
Okay, that's fine. That's cool.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you very much.
You guys need a few minutes?
I know what I want.
So Mitch has got himself a grand slam with a country steak, whatever. Eggs over easy, and I've got scrambled eggs, hash brown, bacon,
breakfast.
And yeah, big breakfast.
Let's see, we're gonna find some parking down there.
Look at some weird automatic belts in this car. I met most people have never seen these either.
Not too many cars like this are on.
Whoa. Okay.
It goes around here, you see that?
Yeah.
Alright, turn on this GPS to make sure I know where I'm going, even though I'm pretty sure I know where I'm going.
I've only just worked out how to get out of the car park.
Turn right onto 400 South, West University Boulevard.
Thank you. Let's see, probably got to turn left pretty soon anyway, so.
You've got amazing scenery here, like
University Boulevard for a half mile.
at most directions you've got mountains.
See the stadium up there? There's a stadium up right up the hill. There's like two things, pillars to the side. You see that?
Yeah.
That's the university. We're gonna turn left onto State. It's gonna have us take State, which is okay, I guess. And then there's some parking. According to this website, there's some around the conference center, which is like pretty close now. Let's see, they're $3, so that's not free. But we might get lucky and not have to pay. Hopefully, I don't know if we do. No big deal. There's not too much money here.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto South State Street. Turn left onto Union Avenue.
Alright, I have enough for this lady here. Turn her off.
Turn left onto Union
She's annoying.
Avenue. Turn right onto Mason Street.
Turn off. Not turn that thing off. Still going. Okay, what do we have? Oh, that's not too much money.
$1 an hour.
Gotta push for ticket.
Yep.
Let's park here, that's fine. It's not that much money. I think Temple Square is like, right. Oh, it tells you right here. Okay, see here. So Temple Square is like ish area. So I think we can just either go through and that will get us there. 16, 17, 18, that's where the buildings are, I think. That's the Mormons and stuff. Oh, Starbucks. Actually get right up to Temple Square. Okay. So this was the first house.
Okay.
So it's a 20-minute tour, so I think we just go in.
Alright. This was the office of Bringham Young, the successor of Joseph Smith, I think.
Yep.
Yep.
They work pretty closely together.
All right,
I've never actually done the tour, so
we're going to go and have a look.
I don't know what they do.
Apparently, there's a new temple in
Gilbert,
in Arizona. I've been to Arizona, never heard of Gilbert. But
No, I haven't heard of it either.
Yeah, we're waiting for
It
us.
says
You're
it's
American.
east of.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another temple. It's east of Phoenix.
And that's, what's his name's? Bringham Young's typewriter over there.
So, like, you can join the tour. So, welcome to Bringham, his personal office. So, Bringham, you know Bringham, he's the prophet, but he also is the governor of the Utah. So, he's kind of busy man. The picture right there, the first picture there is Brigham Young. Another picture around him is the leader of the church. And the table there, you can see table there, they have the book on the table. So people will visit him. When they come, they will sign their name and their place, where are they from, say on that book. So that book is original during that time.
That's the original book?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, these are original, you can certainly see them.
Yeah. The desk there is original.
Wow.
Photos right here is the photos of Brigham Young when he was young till he was 76. So he was 45, 76 till
Look
he
at
died.
that hat.
Yeah.
Wow, that is it.
Can you guess what the freezer is made of? Can you guess what the freezer is made of?
I don't know.
Some kind of fiber. Is it some kind of fiber?
Well, good try, but
Good try. No.
no,
Is it gold?
no,
Not gold.
Copper?
no,
I give up.
Is it a mix with the alloys in it?
no,
No. Silver?
no.
Okay,
No.
you tell me what it is then.
Well, we all have that thing. Yeah. So it's Brigham Young. It belongs to Brigham Young. So it's here. Yeah, you said congratulations. You can come through and take a look at it.
This is Lucy's room, his wife.
So this room here is Brigham Young, his bathroom. You can see the can and the hat on the bed. It's the original one.
That's his hat?
Yeah.
That's the one that was in the picture?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. That is original. That's, yeah.
Don't think the ladder should be there.
So the
What was
room
that?
right
I said the
here-
ladder and
Yeah, the
The
vacuum
vacuum cleaner look a-
shouldn't be there.
a little bit.
How you ring?
We have no idea.
Maybe he's tall.
Maybe
He's got a cord in there and
Yeah, it goes.
So yeah, and every people that comes through this door, the bell always ring.
what does?
This bell always ring.
Oh, that bell.
That's
Yeah.
probably where that
Yeah.
cord goes then.
Oh, that would make sense. It's like a
Doorbell.
Yeah.
like a doorbell.
It's
yeah.
a doorbell.
Yeah.
So everything in this room is original. It wasn't that pretty back then, but now it's more pretty.
The living room. Oh, music.
Is that his glasses on the table there?
A what?
On the table
Yeah.
that's his
Reading glasses?
his
Yeah, that's his reading glasses.
Pretty interesting.
So now we will take you to the music.
some kind of
So Brigham, he cannot play.
I think those big grand
His
console
children
pianos.
can play like harp and the piano and the violin. You can come closer.
He didn't read books, but maybe he did read books. Some people do.
a lot of books.
Story of a great nation.
World's best history.
History of the world.
guess it's like a lounge room where everybody sits around in front of the fireplace and
So his wife will lecture us, I think.
So how old are you? I'm 3. Oh, you look so much. I miss
that wouldn't be really comfortable having to sleep on those ropes late at night, would it? To the bed, Mitch. You don't like having a mattress, you got ropes to sleep on.
So is this where the guests that weren't very nice slept on, I guess?
Probably. And a potty underneath. It's got a potty underneath.
Oh, I see that, yeah.
I wish I can.
So I guess the not so nice guests are people who didn't know that well we were here.
Bite? Yeah.
This one looks a bit
So
nicer.
hard to remember.
I hope it's not bed bugs now.
Yeah. Tell others about the church, basically.
Homeschooling.
Homeschooling, yeah, there
Yeah,
you
they
go.
were
Homeschooling. So like a little kid.
For home teachers is a little
Yeah.
That's what when you said home teaching, I thought that. So
Ding dong bell. Pussy in the well.
Have you ever been to one teacher?
so kids are teaching them.
Well, I love Japan. So we will take you to the kitchen area. So the stairs here is really steep. So
It's really scary.
yeah. So we can
I just realized
sometimes I
I'm walking
just
like this. I'm
yeah.
Watch your step.
Watch out for your.
Stairs are steep. Yeah, it is a bit.
With a wind,
Here is the kitchen.
This is the co-worker dining room.
Yeah.
So this is a kitchen though, huh?
that's the workplace dining room.
Food storage.
Oh, okay, maybe that's the other room.
Actually, this job is not part of the house, but they have this job, so they want to that is not part of the house, so they build that.
Couchware or horsehair. I remember that's one thing that Bringham Young have to wait here before they go in his office. In his bedroom.
The reception hall.
Reception hall. Something so cool about this part of the building is
Yep.
the painting. Can you guess where the Beehive house is? It's the white one.
Is it the one on the right with the 4 windows?
Well, it's on the other side of the street, isn't it?
Family dining room.
That's the sewing room on that side.
Oh.
Sewing room.
Sewing room.
You can see the sewing working. It's so small, so tiny.
So the walls.
We're looking at the world headquarters of the Mormon church.
And the Salt Lake City Temple is right there. It's an exact replica of the temple in Nauvoo, Illinois. Oh, there's some people walking around the temple, so okay.
Apparently you need a recommend from a
Bishop.
yeah, to get in there. So this is as close as we're going to get. We're just going to look around, see if there's anybody we can talk to.
There might be some like in the corner over here, but I'm not sure. I mean, most of this land we're sitting on is this is owned by the church. This is all church property, but it is public. I mean, the furthest you can get, like I said, is up to these gates, and the gates wrap all the way around. So this is the church, the General Conference Center. This is from people all around the world, 180 some odd countries, come from around the world every so often to meet in this building, and they have their general conference. So, and we just had one last year, sometime in can't remember when, but
that would have been a good time to come out and preach the gospel, wouldn't it?
a general conference.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got some people coming in and out, but I think to actually get past these gates, I can't remember if this is public or you have to have the recommend to get past that point. I don't remember.
Okay, we're at the mall. What's the name of the mall?
City Creek.
City Creek Mall.
It's a fairly new mall. It's been here for not too many years. I mean, it's fair. It's pretty big. It houses over 100 plus stores.
Well, the fountain's actually working now.
I think it runs every 10 minutes.
We just made in the cheese.
But everyone's getting in the way.
Okay, we can look at it here in a minute.
Yeah, sure.
We got some bars. I think this one's a bar. I can't remember.
It's a bar. Pub.
We got a couple of bars and pubs downtown. This one's some kind of restaurant. I haven't been to a lot of these places because they're kind of pricey.
Yeah, they look pricey too.
Yeah, they're very expensive. That's
What's that steak?
right there.
Sorry?
That's the trash right there.
What's that steak restaurant?
It was about
Chris Ruth's or
$50 a steak, if I remember.
they have valet parking there.
Yeah.
I mean, I've never seen a steak restaurant with valet parking. Well, there have to be good steak though, wouldn't it?
It's a $50 steak. I took a friend there because I thought it was cheap, and then we found out pretty quickly that it wasn't cheap.
Wow.
Because he was from out of town too, and I had never been to that steak restaurant before, and I was like, let's go over here, and they're like, $50 a steak, we're gonna leave.
We found it. How long did it take us? Half an hour to find your car? And now you have to take the ticket and go back to the pay station too.
There's the ticket we needed right there. Don't play anymore. I hate you. I better go out before it locks me in.
Yeah, then pay another $3.
To put it on the $3. Actually, we wouldn't be able to get out without the ticket, so. Okay, we're out, so I can do this. Oh man, that was fun.
Spend half the day in Salt Lake City just trying to get out of the car. And what's the lesson you learned, Mitch? Next time you'll pay at the pay station.
I thought I was supposed to leave in the car. I wasn't sure. It doesn't say.
It was lucky we could find the car.
Okay, I think we turned right to go to the Capitol. Okay, so apparently there's some kind of protest going on at the Capitol building. I have no idea what's going on. I didn't get the memo, so...
Where are we going to park?
Good question. We'll just keep driving, and if we can find a spot, we can. If we can't, we'll just leave. It's not a big deal. As soon as the people will let me go, I'll go. but they're probably blocking my car because it emits, you know, emissions. So I'm just a terrible person, right? I don't know. No one's gonna let me go, honestly. But I'm trying to go to find parking. These people won't let me go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was nice of them too.
Yeah, we have parking here, but I don't know if there's anything there. It doesn't look like it. Okay, I think I see something up there, so we're gonna keep driving, and I think I see some parking up here on the hill. I could be wrong, but I think I see some parking.
With what we are looking at coming at us, we can expect over 300 more additional tanker trucks carrying heavy black wax crude down Polly's Canyon into Salt Lake Valley into the refineries. Do you think that's a positive move for our air quality? Here's the picture, and this is the big picture. No matter what we do to address our air quality, including tripling the use of mass transit, quadrupling it, whatever, unless our leaders end their love affair with dirty energy, we are missing this nation's clean energy boom, and we are ignoring the problem that we are here today to talk about and what we're looking at across the valley. Our leaders have choices for clean renewable energy to power our homes, our businesses, and automobiles. Those choices are here today. We have to be conscientious and make that choice, and that's where you and your voice comes in.
Thank you, Tim. Very well said. To kind of wrap things up now, we're going to hear from a gentleman who's patiently been standing there waiting, a gentleman that I've watched and I haven't had a chance to sit down with the mayor of this great city and talk one-on-one ever, but I hope that time comes that we can do that. But I've admired him from afar, admired his stance on issues and his vision for this wonderful Salt Lake Valley and city, my home. And I want to introduce you, tell you thank you for the job you've done and the job I hope you're about to do and take on this task. Mayor Ralph Becker.
I asked the state to take 5 actions. We need to fund transit. We need to raise the gas tax.
So we're at the Capitol building, so
This is Utah from space.
yeah, so we are over here somewhere in Salt Lake. We're like over there.
Okay.
So we're inside the Capitol building, so it's like over there somewhere in Salt Lake on the hillside right there.
This is the Zither, which used to belong to the architect of Capitol Hill. And what's this?
It's a telescope. Well, it says yes, no, so I guess it's not a telescope. It says it's a Y level.
Y level. Utah is also known as the Beehive state.
These are different, really old license plates back then in the day.
It's a really old license plate.
Yeah.
There's another one.
The Highway Patrol, that's the old Highway Patrol. They don't look like that anymore. They look a bit different now.
You got old coins and other stuff.
I can't remember if this, I don't think this is the actual one's in Philadelphia, but this is a replica, I think. I can't remember.
It's a replica?
I can't remember. It tells you about it right here. It's a reproduction. So this is not the actual Liberty Bell, it's just a reproduction.
What was the bell used for?
When they established the United States, they rung the Liberty Bell in honor of the independence. Remember that? 1776.
Okay.
So it rang and then it actually cracked the bell. So the actual bell's in Philadelphia, I believe.
This is a replica. The real one's in Philadelphia. It's got a great big crack like that. Building full of treasure. And this building's actually made out of these things here. Bird's eye marble, copper, and iron. And over here, it all begins with mining. What mining do they do in Utah?
There's, it tells you about some of the things.
Oh.
We have a pretty big coal plant here. That's why there's a lot of smog. Part of the reason there's a lot of smog in the valley is because of this. Because we have coal firing plants here.
That's what they're all jumping up and down about outside, I think.
Yep. Well, mostly, but there's other reasons too.
Yeah.
But the main reason is because there's a coal plant that's about 15, 20 minutes from here, probably.
Pension diet.
Outside, so sorry about the noise.
The evolution of the Utah state flag.
I guess we're doing the national anthem outside.
Very noisy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Do you think anyone's going to listen to them?
Probably not. I really don't think that protest is doing any good. Because all they want to do is raise taxes, and that's not going to fix the problem. That's not the problem. Taxes are never the problem.
They've actually made some movies in Utah, including this one called The Sandlot.
Pretty good movie. You should see it.
Kids film.
Yep. It's fun.
And
they filmed Touched by an Angel in Utah as well. And meanwhile, we hear...
I think these as well.
Hear the protesters singing outside. So I know I don't lose my battery.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Columbus Street.
That's our real driver. I'm just following her directions. She's telling us where we need to turn and go. Even though I know this area pretty well, I can't remember where that everything at the top of my head, so it's a good thing.
Turn left onto Columbus Street.
But oh well, Jimmy John's is pretty good. I don't ever.
Make a U-turn at South 600 East, South 6th East. Then your destination will be on the right.
Oh, I think he meant to say the left. Oh, it would be on the right. That's right, because you do a U-turn.
Hey, check this out. Burger King now do home delivery.
Oh, I love those coffee machines. Have you tried those?
Yeah,
They got like all these different things you can choose from.
At Burger King, they have this machine that could do like 100 different flavored Coke products.
Something like that.
I've got orange flavored Coke, and you've got
The raspberry Minute Maid lemonade. That's the wrong kind of straw. I think it'll fit though.
Then I've got some chicken strips, and you're waiting for a Whopper meal, aren't you?
Whopper with cheese.
Whopper with cheese. That was on my third day there, like.
All right, we got the little Liberty tax sign waiver guy. I think they're a ripoff from what I remember. Get $50 down. Yeah, $50 down on top of $50.
You know, that's what Michael had to do. That's what he had a job as.
Yeah, didn't he have to put on a suit like that too?
Yep.
Probably don't get paid a lot.
No, minimum wage, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's a job.
I wouldn't do it.
Well, I guess it beats being unemployed.
People waiting on for that thing.
Well, Mitch is taking me back to my hotel now. So we're going to say farewell to Mitch and...
Turn left onto West 600 South, Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. Then your destination will be on the right.
Oh, it's been great hanging out with you, Mitch. I hope you have a really good year.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Okay, mate.
Okay.
Want me to get out and help you out or anything?
No, I've only got this. I'm alright.
You got it?
Yep. If I can work out how to get out of my seatbelt.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only hard thing.
And we saw a few crazy people on the way.
Yeah. Well, I really hoped you enjoyed today catching up with Mitchell. Tomorrow I'm catching a plane to Texas, and then a week later I'm catching a plane back home, unfortunately. I'd love to stay longer in this country. I love the United States. I've got a lot of really good friends here. But anyway, it's that time again, so good night, God bless. I will see you tomorrow.